Logitech M235 is a wireless mouse that will most likely sell in its hundreds of thousands. And I think that is because of the price point, quality and brand name to go with it. So, what's the catch? Well, let's have a look. So let me begin this video by addressing the proposition that Logitech is making with the M235. I bought the mouse at JB Hi-Fi for about $25. It was on special at the time, and I'll talk more about the price points shortly. And for the money, we are getting a basic wireless mouse that is made by Logitech, so there is some brand premium attached as well. The packaging that the mouse comes in is perforated for easier unpacking. Inside, we have the mouse, one piece of paper for some warranty info, and the cardboard part of the packaging contains some printed instruction. Now let's look at the mouse. We got the red version. I think it looks a little bit nicer on the table. At the bottom, there are 4 footings that helps the mouse to slide a bit better. There is a power switch. The sensor is to the other side, which has some prints next to it saying invisible optic. So when we turn on the mouse, the light it uses is not visible to human eye. Maybe my dog can see it, I don't know. The mouse comes with a battery included, and there is a plastic tab that we need to pull out. Turn on the mouse and off we go. Gotta pull the tab a little harder. Man, I need to go to the gym. There we go. Logitech claims the mouse will go for 1 year with one battery. With their other mouse, they can do a lot more than that on one battery. So 1 year on this mouse, I don't doubt it. Inside the battery compartment, we will find the unifying receiver, which prompts me to say that this is not a Bluetooth mouse. The unifying protocol has one benefit, and that is if you have a keyboard that is working via a unifying receiver, you can pair the two to work via the same receiver. Plus, other wireless products that are hard-coded with its own receiver, if you lose the receiver, you basically lost your whole set. But in case of unifying receiver, lose one, all is not lost. Just pair with another unifying receiver if you have one, that is, kind of like a middle ground, I suppose. Before I move to the next section, please allow me to introduce my second channel, Property Technical, where we talk about properties. Recently, I discussed the $25,000 grant that the government is providing. Check the video, see if you qualify for it. Now back to the video. It is a very light mouse at about 81 grams. To compare, the M720 is about 130 grams, which is, to me, kind of like a sweet spot. It is smaller than the M720 as well, so people with larger hands may not find the shape filling the hand's grip. Me personally, I can use it while traveling or for carrying around the office as we go from meeting room to meeting room. It is pocketable in that way. So a bit of pros and cons there. On either sides of the mouse, there is rubber, which most certainly aids in gripping the mouse. For me, it's the thumb and the ring finger. It most certainly feels better to hold as opposed to a mouse that is all plastic. The buttons have a shape that helps the index finger and the middle finger to rest near the center. The scroll wheel has sideways cut, possibly to assist against slipping. The wheel has the usual resistance and stepped rotation feel to it. Very business as usual at the action end of the mouse. Speaking of action, all the mouse allows us to do is the basic left and right click, scroll up and down, with the middle button click with the press of the scroll wheel. That's it. Now a bit more about the proposition thing that I was talking about. I bought this mouse for my son. I expected one of 3 things to happen to the mouse. He would either lose the mouse, or break it, or spill juice on it. He didn't lose it. The mouse didn't break, though I did see it drop from the table a few times. After a few months of use by a kid, there are certainly signs of use on it, such as some scratches at the bottom and such. But on the other hand, it holds up well and looks like it's in a good nick. About the juice, well, yep, the mouse has received and survived the juice attack, still going like a champ. So the point here is that while it is a simple mouse, it is made to last. One of the reasons why I said in the beginning that the mouse will sell in hundreds of thousands is because $25 Australian or about $18 US is a market for a very wide range of users. Mums and dads, office, school kids, various general users. Sure, those who want additional features will seek out other models. There are lots to choose from. But what I'm saying is that the balance of price and proven reliability and the brand recognition is an easy sell. And this prompts me to the final point. I bought this mouse a few months ago and the prices has changed. What was up is down and what was down is up. Currently in JB Hi-Fi, the same mouse is listed at $29 Australian, more than what I paid. Whereas in Amazon, I found the M235 for $40 US. Makes no sense to me. But check this out. M325 is selling for $19.95 US, and better than that, the M317 Mexico Soccer Edition for $14.95. I don't know if they lost the championship or what happened, but $14.95 is a decent price. Who knows? The modern marketplace can be strange like that. I've left affiliate links in the description to all of these mouse. Not sure what prices you will see, but these are an approximation of about the same product with some minor changes. May the best price win. Whatever you choose to buy, the price can be cheap due to the market, but the product I'm sure will do its job in daily basis. Even at entry levels, Logitech does not cut too many corners. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please feel free to express your thoughts in the comments below. Also, check out the videos in the Property Technical channel. I'm sure there are things that you will find interesting. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.